The raccoons?
Foxwolf.
Come on, y'all. Look.
What?
The raccoons.
Where's the raccoon? But they're close. That's the raccoon down there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, RJ.
Well, I like raccoons.
Look over here, y'all. Look, you'll see over there? Come on, let's go over here. Come here. RJ, Elijah, come on. Look, RJ.
Where's food? Do they eat grass?
Huh?
Hey, Dad, look. They eat something.
Elijah, you want to feed him?
I do.
We don't have nothing to feed him.
Huh?
Come on, let's see what's over here. Elijah, this way.
What does that say?
I don't know. It says something. Okay, we're going to go there after we come from here.
Dad, what does that say?
Stop running over. See?
Don't run it into me then.
No, you're dirty. See? Didn't I say
Elijah
stop running?
hurt me.
No, come on.
Elijah hurt me.
See, Elijah? Come on.
That's what you did. Oh, Elijah.
See, your hand's dirty now, right? Let me see your hand.
Ew.
Yeah, you see how dirty your hand is?
And it's...
Oh, let me clean your hand off.